Welcome friends, welcome to One Fashion Spot, and subscribe to our channel for more updated videos on fashion. So in today's video we will be seeing about nail art for Indian brides. So nail art is a type of art that is done on the nails before the wedding, especially a manicure, and this shape of the nail is entirely customizable, and it's up to the bride to decide about the shape of the nail. But when it comes to the nail art, there are lots of options available in the market nowadays. So in this videos we will be seeing a variety of different nail colors and nail arts that is being used in the recent times. So watch on. So when it comes to nails, there are lots of options such as acrylic nails, gel nails, stick-on nails. But when we go for the look of nail, you can go for either very traditional matte nail kind of look, or the next one will be the glitter nails, or else you can have a very nude nail polish with embellishments, or else you can pair it with an deep red maroon color or bright red colors with sparkling glitters and embellishment. But the recent trend is like the brides have been gone into pink and mauve shades for either the bridal red bridal outfits also. So a new trend is that you can add, or there are brides who have already drawn the picture of the bridegroom and themselves on their nails too. So apart from this, the most happening colors nowadays is the rose gold, or else you can customize the color entirely depending on the outfit. There are soft shaded nail arts. You can have mirror nails, or you can have metallic nail polish on your nails. When it comes to choosing the nail art, it is entirely